Hello everybody, it's Shenell here from Angelic Interior Designs, and today I have a how-to for you, and we're going to be aging some pages from an old book. And we're going to use tea, of course, in water, and we're going to use it and put it in the microwave. The water, heat it up about 2 minutes and let it come to a slight boil. And then you're going to place your tea bag right inside that water. Be careful, don't stand over it because sometimes it can flash. Just let it soak in until you get the desired color that you would like. You can make it lighter, or you can sit the bag in there longer so it can be darker, and you can always add extra water if it gets too dark to lighten it up. Then you're going to take your pages from the book, as many as you would like to use for this particular project, and you're going to just take your tea, place your book pages on a foil pan or a plate, and you could just dab it on there. Saturate it if you like, as best as you can. You can leave some parts of the page lighter, or you can add tea to the entire page, as I have done on some of the pages. Then you're going to squeeze the excess from the page, and you're going to be very careful on this process because the pages are going to be easy to tear because they are so saturated. And take care when you are taking it apart. And then you're going to place them on another plate, and you're going to place it in the microwave. Doesn't have to stay in there long, no more than 1.5 minutes, and they dry really quick. And they get a little crisp, so you have to really stand next to the microwave. And then we're going to add some simple jute, some twine, and we're going to roll up our pages on this particular project. You can leave them flat and just wrap the twine around it. In this particular project, I'm going to roll up each page together and wrap it in the twine, as you see here. And you're going to group them all together. Once you've done that, or you could just stack them if you like, depending on how you're going to use your pages. I'm going to group them all together and place another piece of the twine around the entire thing. And here you see I placed it all inside the lantern with a bird for a very neutral, natural look with the eggs. And here we go with another look as well. I'm going to add the pages in. As you can see here, they're all grouped together. Just laying them on a slight slant just to add some visual interest. Taking this little bird's nest and placing it inside as well. Again, going for a very neutral, natural look with this particular DIY, this grouping. Very easy on the eyes. Seems to be quite calming to me. And the cream colors with the naturalness of the greens and the twig going around the bird's nest. Looks very natural. And again, keep watching for another look. You can also use books to stack your lantern on top of to add some extra visual interest and depth. Layering the books in groups of 3s. Adding another element to the design on the side as well. Placing the lantern on top, and again you see here I've just added the I'm going to call it the bird's nest, with the eggs and the pages that have been antiqued all together. Just a simple look that you could do. Something quick, DIY, using pages from a book. Doesn't cost much at all if you got an old book at home and you're not reading it anymore. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This has been Shenell here from Angelic Interior Designs. See you in the next video. Bye, you guys.